Hello and welcome to Superior Genetics Health and Wellness. So you're ready to get started, but you're not sure you understand the process. No problem. I'll do my best to fill in the blanks. The first step in the sign-up process is to complete the clinic intake form. To do this, just go to superiorgenetics.com and click on Sign Up or Get Started. This provides us with details on your health and medical history. This step takes just a few minutes to complete, and the documents can be signed right from your cell phone, tablet, or computer. Once the intake form is completed, our staff will review it for completion. You will typically receive a confirmation email within 3 hours. If you submit the form after normal business hours, you will receive your confirmation email the following business day. When you receive the confirmation email, you will be provided a clickable link to pay the one-time clinic fee. Once you pay the fee, we will send you an email with the physician's order that you can present to LabCorp. This is similar to a prescription, and you will take this to the LabCorp nearest you. There is no appointment necessary to have your blood drawn. Simply show them your order, and they will take care of the rest. After your blood work is completed, LabCorp will provide us the results within 48 hours. Once we receive your blood work results, we can schedule a pre-appointment consultation. You will receive an email with a link to view our calendar so that you can select a time and date that best suits your availability. During the pre-appointment consultation, we will answer all the questions you have about treatment. We will also discuss dosing, safety, and health goals. The notes from this appointment are provided to the doctor and discussed with him prior to your appointment. Once you complete the pre-appointment consultation, you will receive an email with the doctor's availability. Just reply to the email to confirm your appointment. The doctor will call you at the confirmed time for your telehealth appointment. All telemed appointments are done using virtual communication, either by video or by telephone. Once your appointment with the doctor is finished, the clinic will email you an invoice for your treatment and submit your order with the pharmacy. Your medications will be shipped directly to you from the pharmacy. And that's how easy it is to get prescribed through the telehealth process here at Superior Genetics. I hope you found this video informative, and we look forward to meeting you soon.